Hello everyone, good morning. Sage here, live from the Kalkine studios in Sydney, and you're watching the early trades. Let's get started with our market open report. The S&P ASX 200 is up today, or 0.52%, and setting a new 50-day high. Over the last 5 days, the index has gained 1.7%, but is virtually unchanged over the last year to date. The top performing stocks in this index are UNIBAIL-RODAMCO-WESTFIELD up 6.70%. and POINTSBET Holdings Limited up 5.31%. Small cap oil explorer 88 Energy has crashed 51% after it warned shareholders of a poor drilling result at its Alaskan tenements. And let's take a look at some of the stocks making a buzz today in the opening session of the ASX. First up, Eagers Automotive announces that it has entered into a non-binding agreement with WFM Motors and its associated entities to acquire a portfolio of dealerships and associated properties located in Canberra. Eagers Automotive has agreed to acquire the dealership group and properties for a total purchase price of approximately $205 million. The next news comes in from Australian cycling safety brand Cycliq is the world's first cycling brand to enter the metaverse, joining leading health, fitness and sport brands by partnering with OliveX and The Sandbox. OliveX and The Sandbox are backed by multi-billion-dollar Web 3.0 juggernaut Animoca Brands. In the first instance, the partnership will see some of Cycliq's best-selling products transformed into digital collectibles, which can be earned when users play the forthcoming Dustland Rider game. Dustland Rider will enable Cycliq's 500,000 strong community to be rewarded for their real-world physical efforts in the form of DOS tokens, the in-game cryptocurrency that provides utility for users. And moving on, Vicki Brady will be the new Chief Executive Officer of Telstra, replacing Andrew Penn, who has today announced his intention to retire after serving more than 7 years in the role. Vicki, who is currently Telstra's Chief Financial Officer, will officially take over as CEO on the 1st of September and will work with Andy over the coming months to ensure a smooth transition. Telstra Chairman John Mullen said Andy, who joined Telstra as CFO in 2012 and had been CEO since May 2015, would leave a positive and enduring legacy for the transformation he has led during his time as CEO. And next in from Irongate Group, who have entered into a scheme implementation agreement with Charter Hall PGGM Industrial Partnership, which will acquire 100% of the units in Irongate Property Fund, and Charter Hall Holdings, or its subsidiary, will acquire 100% of the units in Irongate Property Fund by way of trust schemes of arrangement. IAP security holders will receive cash considerations of $1.90 Australian per IAP stapled security under the scheme. IAP security holders will retain entitlement to the distribution for the period ending 31st March 2022 up to $4.67 per IAP stapled security. And finally, Fortescue Metals Group has entered a trading halt, and it will be temporarily paused pending a further announcement. Thanks for joining us on that report, and that's all for now in the early trades. Do stay tuned to Kalkine TV as we have many more shows lined up for you, sharing live updates across the economy, markets and sectors. Sage signing off for now.